What's up, guys? Biker Dave here in the 2017 Dodge Durango RT. If you want to turn on your backup camera at any time, even if you're not backing up, like if this is where you are looking at your radio screen, just go to the apps button, this guy right here. Look for apps. It'll be somewhere around in here, most likely on yours. Hit that, and you may have to arrow left or right. Look for backup cam. Hit it. And there it is. And you can leave it on momentarily if you need to look for something right behind you, maybe while you're sitting still or whatever. Maybe you want to look at your trailer that's you're towing or who knows what. But that's how you get to it. And then to turn it off, just hit the X button right up there. And that's all there is to it. Make sure you look at other videos. We'll have a thumbnail link relating to all kinds of stuff about this vehicle. And tons of stuff on our channel, over 2,000 videos with cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motorcycles, street bikes, Harleys, lawnmowers, all kind of great stuff. So have a look. And if our video either taught you anything or helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen and feel free to send a donation. We really appreciate it, and do the same with any other monetized YouTube channel if they help you out. You all have a great day. We'll see you later.